here, licensed realtor in North Carolina and South Carolina. Today I'm in Burlington, North Carolina at Macintosh on the Lakes, a Windsor home community. Getting ready to tour their Pinehurst floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, and it's being offered right now just under $445,000. Let's go check it out. Tons of good natural light. Deal vanity. Nice tile-in shower with the shower seat and all right, there you have it. That's the Pinehurst plan here at Macintosh at the Lakes in Burlington, North Carolina. If you're interested in setting up a tour, reach out to me. My contact information is below. And if you just enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more.